In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually delete or deactivate your Instagram account. Very easy, very simple guys. The first thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture, and then you want to go ahead and click on the upper right at the three straight lines. Then you want to focus on the section that is settings and privacy. And if you have the recent update or upgrade on the app, you're going to have this function with Meta Account Center. You want to click on it. When you're over here guys, you want to scroll down to the section Personal Details. You want to click on it, and then you have the last function, which is Account Ownership and Control. This is where the magic happens. When you're over here, you will have the option to deactivate or delete your account, and you will be able to do so by simply clicking which account you want to deactivate. Sometimes people have a multi-login on Instagram, having 5, 6, 7 different Instagram accounts. When you come over here, Meta Account Center will show all of your accounts and will give you the choice to pick individually which account to be deleted and which account to be deactivated. And this is how you can essentially delete or deactivate your Instagram account or Instagram pages. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and come back for more.